Hey everyone, it's Liz here. So I just wanted to do a video with you about how to use a contour palette. I know there's a lot of you out there that have received this from Nutrimatics on our amazing $10 VIP joining offer last week at the end of the month. So there are 5 different colors. You can see that there. So you've got redness, which is for dark circles, so it evens out your purple color tones. And you've got your green, which is a color correction, so if you've got any redness or pigmentation, broken capillaries, and that evens that out. And then you've got your 3 concealer colors, so you can use the darker ones for contour if you please, and the lighter one for under the eyes or in between the forehead, on your chin, just for that beautiful brightness. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to use this, because it's not something that a lot of people would use, and if you opened it up and you've never used it before, you would probably think, oh my goodness, I don't know what to do with this. So I'm going to use the red one first. It is super pigmented. You only need the tiniest little bit. So if you've got a beauty blender, this is what I like to use, a little beauty blender, because it's just really easy. It's nice to get in with the dark circles and, you know, right into the creases of the middle of your eye and all of that, and it just blends it out really, really nicely. So I'm going to show you how to use that. The orange. So I'm going to grab a tiny little bit just on the back of a brush I've got. Really tiny. Now I'm going to go in with the green one because this is for any redness and pigmentation. I'm going to cover just little pimple I have there, anything that's a little bit red. You can get a bit red on your cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with the lighter concealer color. And I'm going to put the concealer color just where that red one is, and it's going to just even it out and get rid of that redness. So I'm going to pop it there. I'm also going to pop it on my forehead, the tip of my nose, on my cupid's bow, and on my chin just there. I do like to cover my eyelids as well because it gives it a beautiful like base, especially if you're going to put some eyeshadow on afterwards. So I'm going to use the darker one on myself because I've got a bit more of a darker complexion. So literally just get a little bit of the darker tone. You can pop it where your cheekbones are. So just in line from your ear to your mouth. You can contour your nose on either side. Even under the jawline. Right, and then you just blend it in. This is why beauty blenders are so great. They're so quick and easy. I just love them. I'm just going to go in with a powder. Just pop the powder over the top. You can also do this with a liquid too. So if you're going to put a liquid on, I like to put my liquid foundation on first, then do my contour, just so that the liquid doesn't move it all around. And that's pretty much how you use it. If you want to go over with a bronzer as well, you can, and you just go over the dark areas. And there's a really quick, easy, lovely contour. So I hope you enjoyed it. good luck. Follow this along, those of you that do have that concealer palette. If you don't get stuck, there is the instructions in the back there and it shows you what to use what for. So I would love to see your finishes, and any questions you've got, send them my way.